welcome to ITPK. Today we will see the quick method on how to check recently watched videos on YouTube using mobile phone as well as your computer. If you have watched a bunch of videos on YouTube and you want to go back to those videos and watch them again, YouTube keep the records for all of those videos and makes it easier for you to find all of those stuff. So let's hop on the YouTube app here. So on YouTube app, please go to your profile icon. Either you're Android user or you're iPhone user, you could follow the same process. Once you are into your profile, click on this gear icon on the top right, and also please make sure you are logged in with your YouTube account so that YouTube could keep the track of all of your watch history. Or if you are logged in with any other account, please make sure you are logged in with the correct account or that specific account where you usually use YouTube and watch videos. So now while in the setting, please go to the option your data in YouTube. Now this shows all of the information that YouTube has associated with your profile. Now you could scroll down and under YouTube control you could see your YouTube watch history. Now this shows all of your recently watched videos here. Now let's go ahead and tap on manage your YouTube watch history. Here I can pull this up and see my every YouTube watch history in details. YouTube gives you the flexibility to go to the every link or video that shows here, and also you could click on this cross icon to delete them from your YouTube history. Or if you want to delete more than one or for the specific time, you can click on this delete button, and here we have the option delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. You could delete by custom range, you could delete all of your history whenever you have watched anything, or you could go to custom range by entering the date here. Now let's quickly see on our computer or laptop. Please navigate to youtube.com. Once you are at youtube.com, again, you have to make sure you are logged in with your YouTube account so that YouTube could keep track of all your YouTube data and history. Once you click on your profile icon that is logged into YouTube, please go to the same option that is your data in YouTube. Once you are in your data in YouTube, scroll down and now in YouTube control, you could see the same YouTube history that we were getting in mobile phone. And again, here you have the option to manage your YouTube search history. We have already discussed this while checking these options on our mobile phone. So here in YouTube control, let me show you this option. If you want to turn off this option and you don't want YouTube to keep track of your history, you could go ahead and click on turn off. Read this all carefully, pause YouTube history and go ahead and click on pause. So I have done on YouTube to keep track of me. YouTube shows me a privacy tip that you have previously saved your YouTube history and you could delete all history. I don't want to delete that. Let's go back just to make sure that my YouTube watch history is turned off now. So that's it about today's simple to the point and quality tutorial on how to find your YouTube recently watched videos both on your mobile phone as well as on your laptop or computer. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and also let me know in the comments what else you want me to create for you. Take care. Bye.